All right, what you see here is a 52-inch Sears or Emerson turn of the century ceiling fan in a textured white. Now, I don't know where this particular one is dated from. This one I got off of Marketplace around the area, and the owner told me that this fan was never used, and him and his wife bought it years back from the store and they never used it. So this is the first time that it's hung up and being used. So everything here is basically pristine condition and basically brand new, even up on the top there, interesting canopy and stuff like that. So is the pull chain. While doing a little motor test, I went to pull the pull chain and it snapped. So I put this adapter on that I got from my Westinghouse that's behind that welcome sign there. So, but yeah, 52-inch. These came with a lot of different variations. There's a lot of different variations of the turn of the century. There's some with different face plates. There's one with the design and stuff. But yeah, everything you see here is with the fan. Everything here is original to the fan itself from the factory, which I think is pretty cool. I even have the box. He did tell me that the box was a little bit messed up, but you can see that the Sears box is actually there. So when I saw it on Marketplace, I just had to get it. Now this fan is a 4-speed fan, so this video might go around a little bit longer. And there's also electrically reversible, but when you notice, there's no reverse switch anywhere around, not even on the motor housing. There is, let's get up here. There is one up here. So there's a switch right there, set to downdraft, and yeah. This fan is one of those fans I've never seen like anywhere else. So it's the first time of me seeing this fan. So we're gonna start on the lowest speed. Now this fan does hum. Has an interesting humming noise. And I made sure all the screws were good, so I don't know if you guys can hear that. Probably not. But it's not anything major. So now we're gonna go to medium low. Now for this, Lasco has also made their version of a turn of the century, which I think is pretty interesting too. So they made their version of a turn of a century and other versions as well. I was thinking about adding a light kit to this at first. Adding that light kit that I have for Charleston, but I already put it away. So since this is the second fan of the day, this is also, I'm pretty sure, the last fan of the day, because I don't have anything else to really put up here or test. So this is the second fan that I've tested that's on the new mounting bracket or mounting brace. It's a good air mover on low. Didn't really feel anything on a 4th speed, obviously, because for aesthetic reasons. But the hum, you don't really hear it on this one, which I'd say is pretty interesting. But I'm finally glad I got this fan up and got it ready for testing. I think for high speed, you'll definitely possibly hear a hum. But yeah, this fan came in multiple different variations. It came in like white or like a textured white like you see here. They came in ones that didn't have the type of blade arms that I have right here. They have one in different type of blade arms that you saw in the box earlier. But I would like another turn of the century with the stencil blades. I think that looked really nice. But yeah, this fan came in multiple variations of finishes. And for this fan coming straight from the factory into my hands is pretty cool. Air movement, it's pretty solid. I'm not complaining about it. So I'd say this is a pretty cool thing as well. So now we're gonna turn it on high. Now this fan does make a lot of noise on high. Don't know if y'all can hear that, but yeah, it definitely makes a lot of noise for high. Maybe because when I got it, it didn't have that stuff that's in there. But I'm planning on buying new ones anyway. Now this one, it's a little wobbly, but not wobbly to enough where it's concerning. So this one could be on me, because the blades seem like in alignment and everything, so. So now we're gonna shut it off. But this fan is still a good air mover. And when I get my own place, I think I'm going to probably put this up in probably in a dining room. I don't think I would be having this as a bedroom. But yeah. Never really seen these fans anywhere out in public. So even when I was younger, I can't get a vivid memory of me seeing these. I only see these in like YouTube videos with like Fan Dude or Dan Spiffy. Yeah. But everything in this fan is new. Everything in this fan is brand new. Which I think is relatively cool. But after this, I might not upload for a while again because I have no idea what I'm gonna put up here for another testing video. I would put up a Delta 2 with 5 blades because I said I would do that in the Casablanca video, but everything is tucked away in the box and I don't really feel like taking it out and putting another fan up. So might go on and find a different fan. Next fan I'm trying to find is a Newton veranda. So spin down was pretty good. But yeah, this is my 52-inch Sears turn of the century, or TLC, same thing, ceiling fan, and in textured white. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.